Greetings to all of you students. Today we are going to solve the next problem in sale of partnership, where we need to prepare incorporating entries in the balance sheet in the books of the company. Following is a balance sheet of A and B as on 31/3/22. Current liabilities, general reserve, capital accounts of A and B. We have fixed assets, stock, debtor, BR, cash at bank. P Limited acquired the business on the above date, and the terms were fixed assets to be valued at 20% more than book value, stock to be valued at 90% of the book value. The purchase consideration was to be settled by the issue of 20,000 equity shares of ₹10 each and balance in cash. Pass the opening journal entries and the balance sheet in the books of P Limited. Following is a balance sheet of A and B as on 31/3/22. Current liability 30,000, general reserve 36,000. Actual ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಲುಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ we are not preparing the ledger accounts. And capital account of A and B generally we take as by balance brought down, but we are not preparing the capital account. So here current liabilities are taken over by the company. Fixed assets, stock, debtor, BR and cash at bank. P Limited acquired the business on the above date. So ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರು P Limited ಅಂತ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Acquired ಅಂದ್ರೆ purchased the business. So since business is purchased, it means all 5 assets are taken over and 1 liability is taken over. What are the 5 assets taken over? Fixed asset taken over, stock taken over, debtor taken over, BR taken over, bank taken over. So 5 assets are taken over and 1 liability taken over. And the terms were fixed assets were valued at 20% book value. So fixed asset ಅನ್ನು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 120% ಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fixed assets are not taken over at book value, balance sheet value. It is taken over at 20% more. That's it's taken at 120%. That's 1 lakh into 120%. Stock to be valued at 90% of the book value. Balance sheet ಇರುವಂತ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ 60,000, ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, 10% ಕಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is, they are taking over at 90%. So it's 60,000 into 90%. Stock to be valued at 90% of the book value. The purchase consideration was to be settled by the issue of 20,000 equity shares of ₹10 each and balance in cash. So the payment of PC is partly cash and partly share. So 20,000 into 10 you get 2 lakh. 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Pass opening journal entries and the balance sheet in the books of P Limited. Next, let us look into calculation of PC, that's net asset method. Fixed assets 1,20,000, ಅದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ, 1 lakh into 120%. Next, stock 60,000 into 90%, 54,000. Debtor, BR, cash taken at balance sheet value. So total asset taken over is 2,44,000, and less creditors taken over, current liability 30,000. Then we get PC is 2,14,000. Then modes of PC, 20,000 into 10 rupee, 2 lakh in the form of share and 14,000 in the form of cash. But one point let me tell you, here we need to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet will tally under net asset method. Payment method agli, lump sum method agli, balance sheet tally agalla. Differencing figure capital reserve ಅಥವಾ goodwill ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. How to pass incorporating entries? Business purchase account debit to vendor firm. That is journal entry for purchase of business. So business purchase account debit to vendor firm 2,14,000 being business purchased. Vendor firm account debit to equity shares to cash. That is settlement of PC, payment of PC. 2 lakh we pay in the form of equity share and 14,000 we pay in the form of cash. Next, third one, for taking over assets and liabilities. Fixed asset account debit 1,20,000. Stock account debit 54,000. Debtor account debit 24,000. BR account debit 20,000. Cash account debit 26,000. To business purchase account 2,14,000. To current liabilities 30,000. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ನೆಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಂದು ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 2 lakh, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ 20,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 10 ರೂಪಿ 2 lakh. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then creditors taken over called current liability 30,000. So total of the liability side is 2,30,000. Next, balance sheet asset side application of funds anta heltivi. Fixed asset taken over at 1,20,000, that is 120%. Stock taken over at 90%, so it's 54,000. That is 60,000 into 90%. Debtor taken over at book value 24,000. BR taken over at book value 20,000. Cash at bank taken over at book value 26,000 minus we have this payment of PC. PC 14,000 is paid in the form of cash. So 26,000 cash taken over minus 14,000 payment towards PC. So you get 12,000. Thereby the asset side of the balance sheet tallies with 2,30,000. Thank you.